So one of my favorite things, and it's really important too, is dressing up a duck blind, getting your spots ready, and that's where we are this year. Duck season is open in just a couple days, and one thing about our blinds, we've got probably 6 or 7 different kinds. You never know what you're going to get into till you get to them again. This is sitting right with the last place we hunted it last year. This is the flooded ag field, and you can still see the stuff left over from last year. So, you know, I always try to leave as much of what's left on it as I can, but obviously we couldn't hunt out of this, not in Mississippi. So we got some certain things we do every year. Now they're all different, and the goal is to make it look like you can't, you know, look like you can't see it. I mean, in other words, like it's just a perfect blend of the stuff where it is around it. So for us, our basic go-to blinding things up is good old-fashioned prairie Johnson grass. We live in the Black Prairie of Mississippi. It's everywhere, fence rows, pastures, anywhere we don't spray something, we've got tons of it. So what we do, we'll take a metal blade on one of these steel weed eaters, and we cut it and bundle it, and then we tie up a bunch of bundles, and then we get ready. We'll take enough bundles to do the blinds, and that'll be our basic coverage. We'll also use, you can buy the sheets of canvas printed in mossy oak. I love that. Pretty much anywhere that sells mossy oak you can find it. And I'll line the inside of this. You can see some left from before. It's really good at cutting out like where they can't see in and give you a basic. And I don't like it to be the only thing, but underneath the grass, I think it works really, really good. So you can do that with zip ties. But basically we'll dress them all up with Johnson grass. So you can see the transformation already with this Johnson grass. We got a good layer up. There's a couple more things to do. I'm going to come back first thing in the morning, and then we're going to finish and we're going to put it in place. Tie it down just a little bit better and dress up the doors. But we're looking good. The only other thing I like to do is whenever I take this, you know, it is a skid blind, I take it to the spot, like right behind us there's some standing corn. So we'll find some extra corn stalks and just, you know, it's amazing how much it'll blend in just putting a few of these here. Or we'll take some of these extra pieces from an ash tree or something and zip tie them, sometimes drill them, some just tie it on, just a little bit of that. And boy, you'll never know it's there. I love doing this. Hey, it's all part of being in the camo business, and it's just one more way to camo with, you know, what nature gave us. Love doing it, and I can't wait to ambush some ducks out of this one.